Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to configure Google Chrome Sandbox flags safely step by step in 2026. Before we start, a quick note. Chrome's Sandbox is a critical security feature that isolates browser processes to prevent malware or harmful code from accessing your system. Changing Sandbox flags incorrectly can reduce security, so only adjust them for testing or troubleshooting. Never for daily browsing unless necessary. Let's begin. First, understand what the Chrome Sandbox does. It creates restricted environments for tabs, extensions, and plugins. Even if a website is malicious, the Sandbox prevents it from escaping into your operating system. Now open Chrome Shortcut Settings. Right-click your Chrome desktop shortcut and choose Properties. In the Target field, you can add command line flags after the existing text. One common flag is No Sandbox. This completely disables Chrome's Sandbox, but this is extremely unsafe. Only use it temporarily for debugging in controlled environments like virtual machines. A safer option for testing is -disable -setoid-sandbox on Linux systems. This disables one sandbox layer but keeps others active. Again, only for development or troubleshooting. If Chrome fails to launch due to sandbox errors, you can test by adding -disable-gpu-sandbox. This only affects the GPU process and may help when graphics drivers conflict with Chrome. After adding a flag, click Apply, then open Chrome from that shortcut. Never use multiple sandbox disabling flags together unless you're diagnosing a specific issue. Now let's check Chrome's internal sandbox status. Type chrome://sandbox in the address bar. This page shows which sandbox layers are active, like PID namespaces, network sandbox, and GPU sandbox. If you see red indicators, your system may lack required security components or permissions. After troubleshooting, remove the flags, go back to shortcut properties and delete any flags you added. Restart Chrome normally to restore full protection. Also keep Chrome updated. New versions improve sandbox security and fix compatibility issues. Best practice: if a website or extension requires disabling the sandbox to function, do not use it. That's a major security risk, and that's how you configure Google Chrome Sandbox flags safely step by step in 2026. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more Chrome advanced settings and security tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.